Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my friends, my name is Aicha Ningrum. From class 1G and I want to explanation about five pillars of Islam. The five pillars are the core belief and practice of Islam. The five pillars of Islam are the frameworks of a Muslim life. They are the testimony of faith, and then prayer, and then alms or zakah, and then fasting, and then the last, the pilgrimage to Makkah or Hajj. 1. Profession of faith or testimony of faith. The belief that there is no God but God and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the messenger of God is central of Islam. The testimony of faith is saying with conviction, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah. The first part, there is no true God, but means God means that none has the right to be worshipped, and but God alone, and that God has neither a partner nor son. This testimony of faith is called the Shahada, and the testimony of faith is the most important in pillar of Islam. And point two, the prayer or salat. Muslims pray facing Makkah 5 times a day, at dawn, at noon, and mid afternoon, and sunset, and the last, the after dark. Prayer include recitation of the opening chapter of the Quran and is sometimes performed on a small rock or mat used especially for this purpose. In prayer, person feels inner happiness, peace, and comfort in that God is present with him or her. After the prayer, a sermon focused on a passage from the Quran, followed by prayer by the Imam in a discussion of a particular religious topic. And point three, alms or zakah. In accordance with Islamic law, Muslims donate a fixed portion of their income to community members in need. Many rulers and wealthy Muslims built mosques, schools, hospitals, and other institutions. The original meaning of the word zakat is both purification and growth. Giving zakat means giving a specific percentage on certain properties to certain classes of needy people. And point four, that is fasting or saum. During the daylight hours of Ramadan, all healthy adults Muslims are required to abstain from food and drink throughout this temporary deprivation. Um, they renew they renew their awareness of gratitude for everything. Good that has provided, including the Quran, which has first revealed during this month, during Ramadan. They share the hunger and thirst of the needy as a reminder of the religious duty to help those less fortunate. And point five, the last, is pilgrimage to Makkah or Hajj. The annual pilgrimage to Makkah is an obligation once a lifetime for those who are physically and financially able to perform it. The rites of the Hajj include circling the Kaaba 7 times and going 7 times between the hillocks of Safa and Marwa, as Hagar did during her search for water. Then the pilgrims stand together in Arafah and ask God for what they wish and for His forgiveness. In what is often thought of as a preview of the day of judgment, and the end of the Hajj is marked by a festival, Eid al-Adha, which is celebrated with prayer. This and Eid al-Fitr, a feast day commemorating the end of Ramadan, are the two annual festivals of the Muslim calendar. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.